U Turkmenistanu ne možete pristupiti TikToku, Facebooku, YouTubeu i WhatsAppu. Odnosno, možete pristupiti ako se spojite preko VPN-a. Isto je u Kini, Jordanu i u nekim drugim državama. Ali, bez obzira na to, možete vidjeti reklame. Evo, recimo, Yoki Chicken ima svoj Instagram profil, ima svoj TikTok. Serdar, yes, companies have their own TikToks, Instagram. You also have your own TikTok, right?
Yes, I have.
And you posting regularly on your TikTok?
Yes, I'm trying to explain, to show, especially to travelers, Turkmenistan culture, Turkmenistan good people.
So you want to be a famous TikToker?
Yes, that is, but no. Believe me, I do it just for love of
fun.
my motherland, for our nationality, for our culture to explain it. Even I don't say put likes, follow me, and so blah blah blah. So about this one, nothing. It's okay. Every restaurant, every pub.
Yeah, so everybody has.
Everybody has. Just you do only good things for good aims as me, and it's okay. So as I know, maybe I'm mistaken. China, I don't know, UAE.
Yeah, many
countries also it's not allowed. Maybe some
You can access over VPN.
Yeah. You do just good things, and it's okay. It's allowed.